वो treat it like a catch light. So this is the basics of that lighting, right? तो अब ये तू कितना तेरे पास कितना स्पेस उसके हिसाब से मैटर करेगा. पर अगर तेरे को लगता है कि भाई तू यहाँ पर खड़ा हो सकता है and this can be the thing here, then you can add this light from here, or it can come from the back also. But this is not a parabolic. So when it is a parabolic, then you can keep the parabolic right behind the photographer. The photographer is shooting and then everything just pops and part. But right now that will not work because this light is anyways going to soften the whole thing. So what you do is you take it here और here, जहाँ पर तेरे पास ज़्यादा स्पेस बचेगा वहाँ से वो लाइटिंग जाएगा. एंड उसके हिसाब से यू ऑल्सो हैव टू मेक श्योर कि जो ये शेडो क्रिएट कर रहा है वो उसको फिल ना कर दे, है ना. तेरा एजेंडा तो वही है ना. तो यू हैव टू फिगर दैट आउट कि हाउ मच यू कैन यूज़ एंड हाउ मोर एंड लेस यू कैन यूज़. एंड ऑल्सो थिंग इज यू कांट lessen the power on that. It only works in 2 or 3 different power, right? This one. नहीं तो अच्छा 2 से चालू होता है तो ठीक है 2 is the lesson, right? But let's just divide with 6 again. कितना होता है बता. So you have to understand कि ये 66 का पावर दे रहा है पर नंबर 66 का पावर दे रहे हैं. See, explain your lighting to yourself. Propoto में 10 का पावर तो it makes it very easy. 10 का पावर है पर 250 को 10 में कन्वर्ट नहीं किया ना तुमने. तुमको वो करना था. अगर तुम वो करते तुमको समझ अच्छा ये तो लाइटिंग इतना ज़्यादा है ना. तो इसमें पावर ज़्यादा है, ठीक है. इसका मिनिमम पावर ये 2 दे रहे हैं, ठीक है. पर
डिवाइड 6 से ही होगा.
हाँ डिवाइड, क्योंकि एक लाइट का ये 66 दे रहा है, राइट. तो अब तेरे को 2 तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. तो तेरे पास 120 से 120 तेरा कहीं भी नहीं गया. 130 132 समझ ले, 132 समझ के हिसाब से 132 के हिसाब से तू ले ले इसको, है ना. 132 के हिसाब से तू ले रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है इसके साथ में ये वो तो मिनिमम तेरा पावर रहना ही रहना है. तो 400 में से 132 पे को यूज़ करना ही. बट अब ये यहाँ पर इसके साथ में प्रॉब्लम ये हो जाती है व्हेन यू वांट टू कंट्रोल योर अपर्चर और लाइक सपोजली यू वांट टू शूट in a different settings, then this will limit you there. That's when the limitation starts for you, right? So right now this is your power of 120 132, ठीक है. तो अब देखते हैं कि once you make the model stand, once you set up the backdrop, so now this has to be the last light for you to set it up, or you can start with this one and then slowly you can build one करके सारा तो वो भी तो कर सकता है. You can go either starting from this and then slowly according to this light you set up everything else, ठीक है. So you can either do that or you can set up the backgrounds. Like I like to always start with the backgrounds. मेरे को लगता है कि मैं हाईलाइट्स पहले कर लेता हूँ हल्का फिर एंड में मैं की में आऊँगा. तो मैं दैट इज़ माई वे ऑफ वर्किंग. नाउ यू हैव टू डिसाइड व्हाट इज इजियर फॉर यू. आई कैन जस्ट टेल यू दिस. अब तुमको ये समझ में आ गया गेम कि कैसे तुम उसको डिवाइड करना है. तो तुमको आज मालूम पड़ गया 25 का देगा तुमको, मिनिमम से मिनिमम 25 का देगा. एक्चुअली उसका उसका कम नहीं देगा.
अभी मेरे को ये बड़ा वाला ऑक्टा ये यूज़ करना है, पैरा यूज़ करना है, तो मैं कैसे यूज़ कर सकता हूँ?
एज अ पैरा यूज़ करना है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दैट? आई डोंट गेट इट अगेन.
फुल बॉडी चेक करना है.
हाँ
तो कैसे यूज़ करना चाहिए? आप कुछ तो बोल रहे थे ना कि पैरा से बहुत डिफरेंट है. क्यों डिफरेंट?
सी थिंग इज कि क्या बोलते हैं पैराबॉलिक्स ऑल्सो इज हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इट यू. आई विल हैव टू सिट डाउन विद यू विद बोथ द softboxes modifiers to explain you well. Very honestly, parabolics moreover works like an umbrella. Umbrella and parabolics is extremely close to each other, but at the same time little different. ठीक है. But if you don't have parabolics, umbrella is the best option for you. Umbrella will actually do most of the work which all the other softbox can't do for everything. But umbrella can become a side light. It can be a split light tone also. It can be a key light. It can be a top light. It can be a headlight. It can be a highlight. It can be anything because the way it works, we just have to block it, है ना. Coming to this one, this is more like an octa. Octa is for the face, ठीक है. अब depend करता है this type of modifiers is I feel everybody is different. Every photographer is going to say a different answer for this because सबका अपना पर्सपेक्टिव होता है काम करने का, राइट. एंड यू विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट वर्किंग इन टुमारो. देयर इज नो रूल एज सच इन फोटोग्राफी. आई फील दैट यू हैव टू स्टॉप मेकिंग रूल्स इन दैट टर्म. तो अभी तुम क्या कर सकते थे इसको, व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट इज व्हाट आई विल यूज दिस मोस्टली फॉर इज इफ आई हैव 3 to 4 people, like I'm doing a family portraits, or I'm doing a 3 model portraits, or I'm working with the dogs. If I'm working with the cats, they're going to move. This is perfect. This is a big space lighting. मैं यहाँ पर लगा दिया and then I just keep flashing it. It is going to give me one tone of light no matter what, है ना. But if I am working with the smaller octas, then I can only work with one face. or maybe 2 face, and then I have to keep them close so that it goes according to that. Also with that smaller octas, एक face में light आएगा, दूसरे face में shadow ही आएगा. इसमें तुम वो ignore कर सकते हो. But will it work like parabolic? No, it won't work like parabolic. Because parabolic में क्या होता है, light उल्टा होता है, light जाता है parabolic के अंदर and then it comes out, right? यहाँ पर light बाहर directly आता है, तो it is just throwing light from all over the place. Parabolic throws it back in and then pushes back in, so it creates that very shadowy, like it has to create a crispier shadow or softer shadow on the face, and that's when we use parabolic. And that's why parabolic has a very different क्या बोलते हैं, texture of lighting compared to what Octa can do. But umbrella is very close because same thing, umbrella also comes ulta, right? Light तो उल्टा लगता है, फिर light अंदर umbrella में लग के फिर से बाहर आता है, तो वो umbrella similar, very similar. So if you don't have parabolics, you have umbrella. So that's why I always suggest people to buy umbrella. Buy at least 2 umbrellas. You are ठीक है. So with the umbrella also, silver umbrella तुम use कर रहे हो, or if you are using a white umbrella, when you are using white umbrella, it is softer lighting, and when you are shooting editorial, I feel that you should be using silver umbrella. It gives you a much crispier, sharper tone, and it is much brighter compared to white. So again, it is all on your taste. I haven't bought white umbrella ever. I have always purchased silver because I feel that's the best way to go about it, but that's my style of work. So you don't need to have both the option, but if you have, that's also nothing bad. हाँ, for that second देखेंगे, मंगवा तो लो. Done. अच्छा, by what time are they coming? This seems like a shady thing. Is it a shady thing or does it work nicely? अंदर जाएगा. हाँ, और कर आगे कर. और तान लेके जा बीच में लेके जा. ठीक है. इसमें भी कुछ वेट लगा है यहाँ पर भी. इसको लॉक करना है, लॉक नहीं होगा क्या? This has to be a split lighting. Once you set the back, set the stand. I need more power. Do that. Let's do first standing one. हाथ को थोड़ा और वाइड रखो आप, है ना? That's good. Hold on, यार. I have to just. Sorry. No, that was fine. That's fine. This has to be on a face, but only one side light. Yeah, it has to be like a split lighting. Yeah, you're facing this side. Okay, this has to be your main light. So try to face towards this light. Catch this light, this strip box, and then give the dap on the face.
It's not my fault. My other model was also ready.
I'm not even saying anybody's fault. I'm just saying 5 बजा दिए. क्या कितना पावर किया तूने? 0.5 साइड कर, पूरा साइड से लेना. और साइड से नहीं दे सकते ना. ठीक है, just drop them once. This light can come little more this side. ऑक्टा को थोड़ा इधर से ले ले. हाँ, ठीक है. Lighting I'm checking, but setup and all is ready for you. Makeup is good. I like it what you have done in the eyes.
Yeah.
Suits your face. ऐसे करके. हाँ, this is good. Still like that. Okay. Now make it 5 again. ऊपर वाला. Stay there only. Okay. ये थोड़ा बाहर ले लेना. उसके बाद सर पे आना चाहिए. बैकग्राउंड में नहीं जाए तो. Very nice. I love it. Wow. Gorgeous. Stay right there. Bhai, remove that chair from the background for her. Amazing. Let's do the same pose. Just one step this side. That's about it. Do the same thing while you were reading the paper. Can you also just fix her shirt from there? See? No, you just be in the pose. She'll fix it for you. Yeah, the right side wala uska. Hold there. Put your legs once back again. Yeah. Stay right there. Perfect. Okay, now put your hands like this. That's good. Stay right there. One go. I love that. Give me that once again. Hold up there. Once again. I want more motion. I want more movement. One go. Once again. No, the reaction is changing. Don't change the reaction. Why is she so pissed? Getting it right? So you have to be in that zone. 3, 2, 1, go. None of them came to me. Did I get one picture at least? Got it. Your pen.
क्लैम्प क्लिप्स छोटे वाले इसमें
नहीं, बड़ा वाला पेन चाहिए जो सेफ्टी पिन होता है ना, मोटा
बड़ा
वाला।
वाला है
तो लेके आओ ना।
मैंने ट्राई किया था, लूज हो जा रहा है। I tried that.
चलो ठीक है दिन। Like full गुस्सा, expression I want full fledged. And look towards the right little more. And anger. 3, 2, 1, go. थोड़ा सा इधर आ जाओ मीरा, थोड़ा सा इधर आ जाओ। That's about it. Not so much. That's good. Perfect. Keep the paper on your legs. How you were keeping earlier. वो लाइट को ना पेपर के ऊपर रख, वो लाइट को सिर्फ पेपर के ऊपर कर जैसे, या लाइक दैट. परफेक्ट, वेरी नाइस, आई लव इट. स्टे राइट देयर. कैमरे को कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ मैंने see, I like this picture. It's just that I don't like the way your body is falling here. Then it doesn't look interesting. It has to look either curvy or you'll have to give me something else. Apple box or something. Mira, could you go just one step back? Wow. Give me the exaggerated. Hold up there. Okay, now change. I mean, I like the legs. It's looking tied up. Make it more softer and easy. Arch this more. Butt out. Arch it more. That's good. Now that's nice. See the way. Hold up there. Arch this more. Breathe in. Butt out. Perfect. Stay. Love that. See, I love what she did here, huh? And then she went down here. No, then uske baad you went down. Then I fixed you here. So this is perfect. Now this body has to come up. This is perfect. Get this body up. Don't lean on this right hand. All right. हाँ उधर से कर लेना. Perfect. Some other expression. Don't do this. कुछ और करते हैं. Hold. Okay. Perfect. तो उसमें ना उसका बैक निकाल के टेस्ट कर लेगा. Hold on. Let me just get a close up for this. Give me that. Ready? Awesome. Done. Go. This is nice. 3, 2, 1, go. Stay right there. Now do something else. Down, chin down. Bro, give me that ladder, no. Chin down. That's good. Stay. Get that body a little more tucked in. Tuck your body a little more. That's good. Enough. That's enough. A little more. That's all. Awesome. Okay, let's change to something else now. Look at me. That's good. Yeah, as if you're stuck in there. Hold up there. हट जा.